I'm really excited to try out this camera, Vueroid. This is the S1 QHD Infinite. Has a front, a rear, and interior camera, 3-channel. This is pretty cool, right? Has a Sony system, Sony camera sensor, and it's 30 frames per second. A couple things, what is it got? Wide field of view, battery protection, image process detection, expertise, low light, extreme low power, AI license plate restoration. Pretty cool stuff, yeah. So let's check it out real quick. If I can unbox it with one hand, give me a second. If I can't, oh, I don't think I can. I'm gonna have to grab it. Hang on. That's better. Couldn't grab it that way, but yeah. Check it out. There's the main camera. Nice LCD display. Bunch of controls. Forgot to mention, you see the adhesives here. And the controllers. This camera adjusts depending on the angle of your mount. And also, this kit includes the micro SD card right here. Oops. And that is 128. Nice. So you can have a good amount of recording, especially with this high resolution UHD, or excuse me, QHD, not UHD. There you go. Vueroid. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. Vueroid. Very nice. This looks like the rear camera, right? This is nice. What else is inside? All the other stuff. I'm assuming the middle camera's in there. A lot of stuff. Oh, fuse wire taps. Nice. All different sizes. That's really good. One thing I forgot to mention, this is actually made in Korea. Right there. It's 1-year warranty, by the way. But it's made in Korea. And usually this stuff usually made in other places that are usually cheaper, but they're not cheaper here. So this looks like the interior camera. It's got a little sticky. What is this? Is this the SD? What is this? Okay, I'm gonna have to look this up. Maybe another lens protector or lens something. Still cool. Oh, more connectors. Not connectors. Adhesive mounts plus wire mounts to hide things. And a tool. Then you got the cables. You can go with AC adapter instead of the direct wire. It's cool. Another cable. And another cable. So I will install this soon. Stay tuned, guys.